Hey, it's Candy. Welcome back to my channel. The channel. This channel? What? It's my own intro. How do I get it wrong? Oy vey. It's Boxy charm time. Oh, man. Okay, so I got new hair. Like, I'm sure you guys have seen it by now. The only problem that I have is it gets greasy so easily. So I'm gonna have to figure something out for that. La 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 la. Ooh, there's lots in here. Okay, where's the card? Where's the card? Is there no card? Oh, there it is. Alright. Galaxy Glow. So, let's just start here. This is a vintage by Jessica Libeskind Smoky Eye Pencil in jet black. I think we got a blush set from her either last month or the month before. I liked the packaging. This is just an old school black eye pencil. Okay. Retail value on that is $21. Okay. Here we have Crown Pro Trio Brush Set. Retail value $29.99. I'm not going to take these out because I'm going to put these in my giveaway box. But Crown brushes are excellent quality. Then we have from Pure, the Complexion Authority X Faux Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. It's $17. It smells like coconut. Oh yeah, it definitely has... Let's see if I can you guys see... Hold on. Can you guys see the, like, grit in there? So that makes it the lip exfoliator. I do want to try that. My lips have been crap all winter. It's just been so bad. Alright. This is from Cover Effects. That's one of my co-workers. Alright, so this is from Cover Effects. It is the Shimmer Veil. Well, where do you use it? These multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease-proof enough for the boldest of eye looks, formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face, suitable for all skin types. The color we got was Amethyst. It's a beautiful color. Ooh. Oh. Oh, wow. So, can you see it there? That would be fantastic on the eyes, or even the lips. I'm kind of excited to try that. Alright, and the last things we have are from Ofra. And it's funny because I was on Miss A today and I was going to buy a Z palette because I have a few that I would like to, take out and put in there so they're easily accessible. And then they also sent a blush, so I'm just gonna pop that in here. If you don't know how Z palette works, the makeup comes in these metal tins and they're magnetic, and so you can take all your single ones and kind of put them in here to like keep them together. So that's from Ofra. The palette is $19 and the blush is $12. So 19, 12, 28, 21, 30, and 17. $127 value. I pay $21 a month. I've said this over and over again. BoxyCharm is such a good value for your money. It introduces you to great products, different brands, and you get like different stuff that you like. I would never buy a lip exfoliator, but then I don't think I would have tried this, but holy cow. Yeah, I'm excited. Oh, and it they're like, there's barely any transfer, and it hasn't been on there for that long, so yay! I'm excited about this box. Okay, so you guys saw me open up my BoxyCharm, and that's all well and good, but like, that's boring. Sorry, my sister called me. So anyway, I think it's boring that you just see me open the box. You don't see me use the products. And so I can't use the lip exfoliator that I'm keeping because I have a cold sore over here and I want to be kind of careful with it. I don't want to bust it open again. It was bleeding last night. So what I am going to show you guys is, here's the Z palette from Ofra. I've put a couple smaller shadows that I had, but here is the blush. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. I've got highlight on. So I'm going to take my blush brush and dip it in. Ooh, that's real bright. Alright, cool. Alright. We're going to have to blend that out. I like to use my hands to blend it out. I don't know. It's not too bad once I got it in there. I probably should have like tapped my brush out a little bit, but it's a nice apricot orangey blush. And then the other thing that we can use is the Cover FX Shimmering Veil. Now, they say you can put this almost anywhere on your face. Let's pull you in. Get out of my cleavage. Dang it. Alright, I'm going to put it on my eyes. So I've already got makeup on, you can see. But I'm going to take it. Put a little bit on my lids. And use my finger to... Holy shit. That is such shimmer. Oh, that is so cool. This would be perfect for a night out. This color would probably go over almost any color in almost like an opaque fashion. Because if you look, it's not really covering up what I've done already. It's kind of going over it. Not opaque. Is that what I was thinking about? Opaque? Like clear? Alright. So it's on there, and now it's dry. And it's getting on my finger, but it's not like dropping glitter down on my face. Damn, guys. That looks super cool. Well, I like this. I think this is what we're going to do from now on with my Birchbox. Sorry, my BoxyCharm. Because you guys don't get to see me wear the products. And I think this is a great way to do that. Actually, come here. Let's do this again. Let's put some on my lips. Because they said you could put it anywhere. Let's just put a little bit right in the middle. I kind of like that. Now I've seen this technique done a couple different times. This is definitely a go out to the night out, a night out look. But it kind of focuses the attention on where the light would hit anyway. I like this a lot. This would look good with purples. This would look good with pinks and reds. What do we think? Alright guys, that is gonna be it. So thank you for watching. I hope that we can do this with the future Boxy charms. I think you get more out of it that way, and it's not just me opening a box and being like, hey, look at this, hey, look at this. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.